Historically, Mobileye has been a leader in ADAS technology, and as that technology has evolved, Mobileye has moved into full autonomy. How is Mobileye approaching full autonomy?
Our strategy is a diverse product portfolio that scales from driver assist systems to self-driving cars. And the way we kind of represent the products in our product family is from the perspective of the driver. What will you as a driver or as a user be allowed or not allowed to do? And it starts with hands-on, eyes-on, which means as a driver, you're driving, and there are a increasingly more sophisticated driver assist systems that practically helps you prevent dangerous events, help you avoid accidents, and over time offers some comfort features like cruise control. But that is still within the realm of, as a driver, you're driving. And there is as I said, a increasingly more sophisticated technology stack that will improve your experience as a driver. The next product is called Supervision, which is a hands-off, eyes-on product. So as a driver, you enter the car, you select a destination, and the system can drive from point A to point B in all road types, in all environmental conditions, in all markets. But as a driver, you still need to be concentrated and focused and be, let's say, willing and able to intervene and prevent dangerous events if and when the system will be challenged. From that, we move to Chauffeur. Chauffeur is a eyes-off, hands-off product. So as a driver, within certain design domains, you will be allowed to take your eyes off the road and do other things. This is a significant kind of a transformational step compared to driver assist systems, because it opens a new value proposition to consumers, which is buying back your time. And I think that the time is one of the most important aspects of driving today that is most, or at least bothering a lot of users, and it seems to only be getting worse in developed countries. And finally, our last product is Mobileye Drive, which is designed for mobility as a service and for fleets that will be transporting goods and people, ride hailing with no driver in kind of a certain area, let's say a city, for example. So this is kind of our product portfolio and the family of products that Mobileye has been developing. The last three products are new to our, relatively new to our offering. And as you said, historically, we've been leading and leaders of the first category of the driver assist system. And I can say that the strong reputation of Mobileye as a technology leader and as a company that is always innovating and delivering new technologies in automotive and meets all the strict standards for safety, reliability, and the strict cost challenges that the automotive industry imposes, is a very, very strong starting position and advantage that we have. And also our relationship that we have built over years with car makers is leveraged to kind of launch and create partnerships with our next generation products, our autonomous vehicle product families.
How do you see all these different technologies or at different automation levels complementing each other? Are you learning from all of these historical developments to perfect your L4 product?
The way our product portfolio is designed is in a very scalable and modular way, so that each product can be used as kind of an enabler or a facilitator or an accelerator for the next product in its line. So the way the synergies work is through the compute unit, the sensor set, and some software aspects. So the driver assist system normally it has less sensors and a more efficient compute unit because the price is relatively low, but still you can use the let's say the performance that you have in this sensor set with this compute and then build on top of it and use this as kind of a safety layer for the more advanced products. And Supervision has 11 cameras, and this camera set is being used for Chauffeur. Chauffeur adds to these cameras redundant sensors for safety, like radars, for example, and then we can improve the performance and reliability of the Supervision system and allow the driver to take the eyes off. And this is how we get to Chauffeur. by adding more compute and a little bit more sensors, we can get to drive to support the unique use cases of ride hailing in a city environment. So this is kind of a very stacked, like a stacked, scalable design of products, which is in order to maintain the highest level of performance with the maximum efficiency for each product in itself.